Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So, welcome back to Daily Conversation Part 4. Hi everyone, I am your English learning friend, and here you will learn idioms, phrases, daily conversation, and tips that native speakers use every day. So, without further ado, let's get in. The scene is two friends texting about weekend plans. The person A says, "Hey, any plans this weekend?" The person B replied, "Not really. I thought I would play it by ear." So the idiom used here is play it by ear, which means decide what to do as it happens. The person A says again, "Same here. I just want to chill out and do nothing." So wanna here is the short form of want to, and the idiom is chill out. That means relax. The person B replied, "Honestly, I am burned out for this week." So the idiom is burned out. That means mentally or physically exhausted. The person A says, "Let's have a lazy day and maybe binge watch something." So the idiom is binge watch, which means watch many episodes in a row. The person B says, "Perfect, count me in, I am so down." So the so down means definitely interested or ready to join. The idiom used in this conversation are play it by ear, chill out, burned out, binge watch, and so down. Thank you guys.